Punjabi. I'm your host, Jia. Wait, don't worry about the tooth. It's the little waggy tooth. It's going to break out soon. Speaking of breaking out, we're gonna break out this box for you guys. Unbox set. Oh, for opening this we need a knife, so we need to bring another host because I'm not going near that. By that I mean a knife. Hey, host, where are you?
Here I am.
A camera.
I'll just make a little cut here. Sniff this. Am I still dead? Ah! What's going on? We're in a mess of water. Okay, hold on. Let's clean this up. I almost took a shower while I was dead here. Hold on. Don't put that thing there. Yikes, that man! Here's the box. This is what we're unboxing today. And you're still laughing at me.
This was made out of foam. Look at this one. Beautiful.
Wow, it's kind of heavy though.
Oh, keep that there. Get out.
That's
Do you know what else came with it?
Hey, look, gummy bears. We'll eat those later. Aren't those gummy bears?
No.
Aw, gosh darn it.
You read these?
Wow, a USB-C to a USB. This is a USB-C, guys. That's awesome. That's what we need. Right there, the record, the joystick,
Do you know what else came with it?
control it, the power button.
Here it is.
Right there, like that? What the heck? And then there's that there.
Yeah, whatever that is.
This is the...
Flashlight. This one.
I know what it's called. I just can't remember what it's called now. This is called the tripod. And this is the phone adapter in case you have a smartphone you're using it with, like me. Can't come in here. This is metal. These little hook-on parts, it's all metal. Like, whenever people are unboxing this, I think that, oh, there's the plastic little pieces. But these are actually made of, look, metal. That's amazing. And then you have this and that for the smartphone. The cable, the little screw thing, it goes in here somewhere. And then you have the tripod itself. I'll help you.
This is weird.
Not really. You just take this out.
And we got something inside. This was just the unboxing. I hope you like it. Share, comment, subscribe. Comments below. Wait. Turn the bell to bell. Press the little bell thing. I'm your host, Gia. And peace it out.